Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I cook my kale fresh tomato stew. But before we get started, if today is your first day or first time of stopping by, a warm welcome to you. And please don't forget to follow this page, like, share, and comment to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, a very big thank you. So let's get started. To begin, in a clean pot, I introduce the vegetable oil, allow to heat up. Once that is done, I added in some salt, then add in my chopped onions, give it a stir, and went ahead and added in my ginger and garlic paste. Stir, 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 stir for 2 minutes. Exactly 2 minutes now, I added in my fresh tin tomatoes. Give it a stir until it is well combined. Then keep frying until it reduces in quantity thick and the oil floats to the top of the sauce. Once the tomato is done frying, I went ahead to season with some oregano, curry powder, season cubes, white pepper, and nutmeg powder. Once done, give it a stir. Then I add in my fresh pepper. You can add in any amount that you prefer. I added in my grounded crayfish. Stir, 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 stir. So next, I added in my shaki. You can add in any protein of your choice. Next, I will introduce my vegetables. So here I'm using frozen kale. You can use the fresh one if that is what you prefer. So give it a stir until everything is well combined. So at this point, you can taste for salt. So I added in little water to it. Once I'm done stirring it and make sure that everything is well combined, cover the pot and let it cook for at least 2 minutes. Let's check on the pot. Wow, it is ready and done. Yeah, turn off the heat, give it a properly stir. Of course, if you did not cook kale very well, be it frozen or fresh, you will not enjoy these amazing vegetables, guys. It can be served with white rice, potatoes, yam, or in whichever way you prefer enjoying this delicious and amazing kale fresh tomato stew. Yeah, as you can see, I am enjoying my with white rice. Guys, this tasted so super delicious and healthy. Okay. Hope you'll be trying out this amazing recipe. Please, if you do, let me know in the comment section. We have come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video and remain blessed. Bye.